Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Masoor Dal Tadka, which is made with red lentils, green chilies and tomatoes and a simple tempering of the spices. I personally like this dish to be thick and spicy with the right amount of salt, but no matter how you choose to make it, it sure will turn out to be very tasty. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for boiling the dal and the ingredients for the tempering or the tadka. Preparation. Wash the dal well and soak in hot water for 15 minutes. Method. Add the soaked masoor dal to a pressure cooker. Add 3 cups of water. And the curry leaves. Add in the cumin seed powder, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, which is optional, coriander seed powder, and the ginger paste and the garlic paste. Next, add in the sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, and the chopped green chilies. Give it a good stir and close the cooker. Note, this dish gets its spiciness from the green chilies, so adjust the number of green chilies used according to the spice level. Boil until one whistle and simmer for 4 minutes and set aside to cool completely. Check that all the steam has been naturally released. Then open the pressure cooker and use a potato masher to mash the dal. Add in the chopped green coriander, dried fenugreek leaves, and the ghee, which is optional. Make sure you crush the dried fenugreek leaves to release the aroma and the flavor, and give it a good mix. Put the pressure cooker back on the fire and bring to boil. Give it a stir, then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Taste and add green chilies if required and salt if required. Note that this dish tastes best when it's a bit spicy, and you can also adjust the water if required to adjust the consistency of the dish to your liking. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Now we are moving on to the tempering stage where we make the tadka. So heat oil in a small vessel, then add in the mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add in the rest of the tempering ingredients, which is the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, red chilies, curry leaves, garlic cloves, and the sliced onions. Fry it well. Then drop the tempering over the dal and mix it in. Cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Finally, serve with plain rice and a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian side dish. Add some fried curd chili or pickle to top it up. So there you have it, lovely Masoor Dal Tadka. Thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.